What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video here at Forex Life. So in today's video we will be focusing on volatility 10 specifically. I'm going to give you guys a strategy that you can use on the 5-minute time frame, and you can make profits with this on small accounts. As you guys can see, look at that entry. You can see it is a small account, and you can use it to build your small account with this strategy. So if this is your first time on this channel, please guys, smash that like button, subscribe, comment down below, and share the video to as much people as possible so we can start ranking on YouTube and we can get more traders to see these strategies and help them in their trading journey as well. So nevertheless, let's get straight into the video. I'm going to start with the indicators first, and I beg you guys, please watch the video till the end. Don't skip through the video. You will not understand how the strategy works, and you guys will come back and say that it does not work. Practice it on demo, use it on demo first, and then find your way around the strategy, make it your own. Once you're happy with the results, go ahead and use it on your live account. Okay, so the first indicator that we will be loading, you're going to press on this little F icon over here, and you're going to scroll down till you see MACD. So over here we have MACD. These are the settings for the MACD. So fast EMA 13, slow EMA 21, the MACD SMA 9, apply to close. Your styles, the main is going to be green 1 pixel and the signal is going to be purple 2 pixel. You can make it any color of your choice. It really doesn't matter. Once you have the settings, you just click on done and you will see the MACD over here at the bottom. Okay, in your indicator window 1, that is your MACD. The second indicator that we will be loading will be our Bollinger Bands. So we're going to tap again on the screen, we're going to click on the F icon, and under indicator window 1, this F plus symbol over here, we're going to click on that and we're going to click on Bollinger Bands. These are the settings for the Bollinger Bands. So we have the period 200, deviation 1.500, shift 0, apply to first indicators data, styles 1 pixel, and black. Like I say, always any color of your choice. It really doesn't matter. When you're done, you just click on done, and you will see now that we have the Bollinger Bands over here. Right, you can see the Bollinger Bands, the black lines, the top, the middle, and the bottom. Third indicator, that we're going to be loading is a moving average. So you're going to tap again on your screen, place on the F icon, indicator window 1, F plus, we're going to tap on that, and we're going to tap on moving average. These are the settings: period 2, shift 0, method exponential, apply to first indicators data, style 2 pixel, and color red. Once you have the settings, just click on done. And this is how your chart should actually look with the indicators. Okay, remember we're on the 5-minute time frame. We will just be using the 5-minute time frame. Always check your trend on the hourly time frame or higher time frames to see which direction the market is moving. You will be able to see that you can use this on higher time frames as well. It all depends on you. If you're a scalper, if you're a day trader, swing trader, you can use this on multiple time frames. Okay, so the conditions for this strategy, we're only using it on volatility 10. It can be used on other volatility pairs, however I did not test it, so you will be using it at your own risk. I've only tested on volatility 10 and I'm happy with the results on volatility 10, because in trading you literally just need one pair to make your money. You don't need to trade everything in the market. You don't need to trade whole day. You just need one pair, perfect the one pair, and that will be your winning pair. That will be your money. Okay, but let's get straight into the strategy and how it works. So zoom level, let's start with the zoom level. It can be used on any zoom level. As you guys can see, it does not repaint, it doesn't lag. So the MACD doesn't lag, the moving average will lag here and there, but with the strategy, it will not lag. Okay, so you can use any zoom level. I like to look at it on the third zoom level over here. So that's the lowest, and then 1, 2, second zoom level, sorry. I like to look at it on the second zoom level. So how to take this trade? When the MACD, let me just get this. When the MACD touches the upper band, right, we see this black line. I'm actually going to make it a bit thicker so that you guys can see it. And maybe I change the color. Let's make it pink. Let's see. Perfect. Now you guys can see it. So once the MACD touches the upper band over here, okay, we wait for the cross. So the purple signal line, we wait for it to cross over, and that is when we will take our trade. That is when we will take our trade. So right over here, if we do this, right over here is where it crossed over, and this is our entry. See, this is our entry, and we can take profits at level 50 over here. You can take profits at level 50, or what you can do. Okay, I'm going to give you guys two scenarios, two ways to use the strategy with take profit levels. You can take your profit at level, not level 50, the middle band, sorry, the middle band. So you can take your profit once the purple line reaches the middle band, which is just over here. So you scalp that over there. Or what you can do is, once the purple, this purple line, as we can see, it has been on top. Once it crosses below, you can take your profits. You can take your profits, and then you wait for the buy signal, and you go into the buy signal. So over here, we can see there was an entry, and over here by the middle band, we got the entry again. Why? Because the purple line crossed again. That was our entry over there, and all the way down. So now let's just go back and just test it some more. It's a very powerful strategy, guys. Very powerful strategy. So right over here, the purple line crossed, but the MACD touched the lower band. Okay, the MACD touched the lower band, and the purple crossed. So what do? You enter your buy position somewhere over here. You would have entered right over here, and then you can either take your profits when you reach the middle band, which is somewhere over here. You can take your profits, or once the purple line crosses the red line and the MACD is at the upper band. So that would have been somewhere here that you take your profits. So you could have scalped that. Beautiful entry, nice profits for you guys. We can look for another example. I'll show you guys also. So if you're looking at it like this, right? And over here we can see that the purple line is busy crossing below the red. So it's indicating that a buy will start happening right now. But now you're not sure if this line over here is the upper band or the middle band. All you do is you just zoom it in a bit, and you will be able to see. Alright, so you will be able to see. So that is an entry over there. That is an entry over there. That's an entry over there. That's an entry over there. So you could have literally caught all of these moves. You could have catch this buy all the way up. Let me just delete that. Catch this buy all the way up till here. Right? This over here. Let me just make this a bit smaller. This over here would have been a short sell, which is this till here, till the middle band. Goes back up, crosses, you take that entry all the way down. Then you take this buy all the way up, and then you take the sell all the way down. So you could have literally caught every move, every single move you could have caught with this strategy. Like I say, all you need is one pair, and that one pair can make you your money. Just remember to apply risk management when you do use the strategy. So what I would advise is, if you're taking an entry over here, if you're taking this entry over here, right, because it crossed over here from the upper band, it crossed, I would advise you to place your stop loss above the high. Okay, place it above the high. It will give you some room, because if price goes and it breaks this previous high, it means that the trend is changing and it's going into an uptrend, because there was a break of structure over there. So always place it above the previous high or below the previous low. Okay, so it gives your trade some room to breathe, and it doesn't have a tight stop loss where it will hit your stop loss and then go in the direction. So always do that. Use proper risk management when trading. And then the second thing that I want to show you guys with this strategy is that you can use it on higher time frames. Like I said, you can use it on higher time frames. So if we want to use the 15-minute time frame, we can see over here the Bollinger Band, the upper Bollinger Band. The MACD touched the upper Bollinger Band. The purple line crossed over here. We'd have gotten an entry somewhere over here, right over there. And you take the trade till the purple line crosses the red on the lower Bollinger Band. Okay, once it crosses on the lower Bollinger Band, you take your profits, and that would have been somewhere over here. So that's a nice move over there, and that's on the 15-minute time frame. Then you'd have entered your buy, take your profit at the middle band, then enter your sell over here, and currently in a sell. It did not cross yet. It is at the lower band, the Bollinger Band, but we do not have the crossover of the purple crossing the red just yet. Same applies on 30-minute time frame, on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, that would have been our entry over there, because that is where it crossed. Okay, so that's where it crossed, and that would have been our entry. If we zoom it in, you can see that is the upper band. That is the upper band over there. That's our entry. And we wait for the cross to happen at the bottom on the lower band. So we're not yet approaching the lower band. We're not yet touching the lower band. So once it approaches the lower band and it crosses over, then I will go ahead and take profits. So you can use this on all time frames, guys. Very, very powerful strategy. I hope that this helped you guys make some money. Please drop results down below. I will leave a link in the description to my Telegram channel. I will leave my personal details, my personal Telegram handle, as well as my WhatsApp number, where you guys can message me and send me some results. I always like to see results from these strategies that you guys are testing out. Like I say, test it out on demo first, then move over to your live account. But as you guys can see, it's great results on a live account. Very small account, but $20 a day, $30 a day. Do it 30 times for the month, and it gives you $900 profit. And remember to share this video, share it as much as possible. I will drop a link down below for the previous scalping strategy I dropped yesterday as well. Crazy strategy to help you make money with scalping on lower accounts, smaller accounts. So check out that video. Let's try and get this video up to 2,000 likes, guys. 2,000 likes. We are 4,000 subscribers. I would love to end the month off with 5,000 subscribers. So that's your guys' job. My job is to make sure you guys have profitable strategies to help you make money in this market. And your job is just to help me grow on YouTube. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the support. I will see you guys on the next video.